Italy, just the name brings to mind old ruins, amazing art and sunny vineyards. It's a place where history and beauty come together in a perfect blend. This beautiful European country is a treat for your senses, a trip through time, and a journey through some of the most picturesque landscapes you can imagine. It's a reminder of how creative people can be, with artisans and street artists showcasing their talents in every corner. From the snowy Dolomites mountains to the sunny beaches of Sicily, Italy offers a diverse range of stunning landscapes. Italy has all kinds of amazing landscapes, from the rolling hills of Tuscany to the dramatic cliffs of Cinque Terre. Its cities are like outdoor museums filled with ancient streets and grand piazzas that tell stories of the past. Its small towns are full of traditions where festivals and local customs are celebrated with great enthusiasm. And its people are known for being warm and welcoming, always ready to share a smile or a meal with visitors. Italy's history is like a big exciting opera, with each part leaving its mark on the world stage. The Roman Empire, the Renaissance, and the start of opera. Italy has been super important in art, culture, and new ideas for centuries. A trip to Italy is like going back to where Western civilization began, a chance to see masterpieces like the Statue of David and experience world-class opera. A trip to Italy is like going back to where Western civilization began, a chance to walk the same paths as emperors. A chance to walk the same paths as emperors, artists, and poets. Whether you love history, are crazy about art, or just want to enjoy the good life, Italy has something for everyone. Whether you love history, are crazy about art, or just want to enjoy the good life, Italy will be an amazing trip. Italy will be an amazing trip. From exploring the canals of Venice to enjoying a wine tasting in Tuscany, there's always something to do. But Italy isn't just about the past, it's also a lively mix of modern life. Fashion, design, and food are all big deals in this exciting country. Milan, for instance, is a global fashion hub. And food are all big deals in this exciting country. The culinary scene is vibrant, with chefs preparing delicious dishes using fresh, local ingredients. The smell of fresh espresso is everywhere, filling the air with its rich aroma, and happy chatter spills out from cafes. Italians love life, enjoying every moment and sharing their joy with visitors. Enjoying every moment and sharing their joy with visitors, so pack your bags, get ready for adventure, and prepare to fall in love with Italy. This is a country that will steal your heart and change you forever. This is a country that will steal your heart and change you forever. From its breathtaking sunsets to its vibrant culture, Italy is a place you'll never forget. Italy has more UNESCO World Heritage Sites than any other country in the world. These sites are not just historical landmarks, they are living, breathing pieces of history that have stood the test of time. Each site tells a story, sharing secrets of the past and showing off the amazing architecture and art of the Italian people. From ancient ruins to Renaissance masterpieces, Italy's heritage is a treasure trove of human achievement. From the huge Colosseum in Rome to the romantic canals of Venice, these sites aren't just tourist spots, they're living proof of Italy's lasting impact. The Colosseum, with its grand arches and ancient stones, whispers tales of gladiators and emperors. Imagine standing near the Colosseum, the biggest amphitheater ever built, and almost hearing the gladiators fighting and the crowds cheering. It's a place where history comes alive, and you can almost feel the energy of ancient Rome. Picture yourself walking through the ruins of Pompeii, a Roman city frozen in time by a volcano. The streets, homes, and public spaces offer a unique glimpse into daily life in ancient times, preserved for centuries under layers of ash. These are just a couple of the many historical wonders waiting for you in Italy. Each site is a chapter in the grand story of human civilization, waiting to be explored and appreciated. But Italy's art is more than just old ruins. It's a vibrant tapestry of creativity that spans centuries, from ancient sculptures to modern masterpieces. The Renaissance, a time of amazing art and culture, happened in Italy, leaving behind incredible masterpieces. This period marked a rebirth of art, science, and thought, influencing the entire world. From Michelangelo's David statue in Florence to Leonardo da Vinci's Last Supper painting in Milan, Italy has some of the most famous art ever made. These works are not just art, they are symbols of human potential and creativity. Go inside the Sistine Chapel in Vatican City and look up at Michelangelo's amazing paintings. The ceiling is a masterpiece of color and detail, depicting scenes from the Bible in a way that has captivated viewers for centuries. Get lost in the Uffizi Gallery in Florence, filled with masterpieces by Botticelli, Raphael, and Caravaggio. Each painting tells a story, capturing moments of beauty, emotion, and human experience. Italy's art museums aren't just the places with old things, they're beautiful places where time seems to stop. They are sanctuaries of beauty and history, inviting you to step into a world of artistic wonder. Italy's landscape is as varied as its history, from the tall Alps mountains to the sunny beaches of the Mediterranean Sea. All over this diverse land are famous landmarks that everyone knows. One is the Trevi Fountain in Rome, a beautiful fountain that people come from all over the world to see. They say that if you throw a coin in the fountain, you'll come back to Rome someday. Even if you don't believe that, seeing the Trevi Fountain lit up at night is something you'll never forget. But Italy's natural wonders are just as amazing as the things people have built. Mount Vesuvius, the volcano that buried Pompeii, towers over the Bay of Naples. Today, Vesuvius reminds us of the power of nature. Further south, on the island of Sicily, Mount Etna is still active, a fiery reminder of how the Italian peninsula was formed. These volcanoes, even though they can be dangerous, are fascinating. You can't go to Italy and not try the amazing food. It's an essential part of the Italian experience. Italian food is more than just eating, it's a celebration of fresh ingredients, simple recipes, and old traditions. The markets are filled with vibrant colors and aromas that tantalize the senses. From north to south, each region has its own special dishes, making it a food adventure unlike any other. Whether it's the rich pastas of Bologna or the fresh seafood of Sicily, there's always something new to try. Start your day with strong coffee and a pastry, savoring the morning in a quaint cafe. Then enjoy a plate of perfectly cooked pasta. Each bite is a testament to the skill and passion of Italian chefs. Have a Neapolitan pizza, cooked in a wood-fired oven. The crispy crust and fresh toppings make it a must-try. And don't forget gelato, Italy's version of ice cream, with its rich flavors and smooth texture. It's the perfect way to cool down on a warm day. But Italy is good at more than just food. The country is also renowned for its contributions to the world of automotive excellence. Italy is famous for its fancy cars, symbols of speed, style, and great engineering. Brands like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Maserati are known worldwide. The sound of a Ferrari engine roaring with power, the sleek look of a Lamborghini, turning heads wherever it goes, the elegance of a Maserati. These cars are like art on wheels. Each one is a masterpiece of design and performance. Visit the Ferrari Museum and learn about this famous brand. It's a journey through the history of speed and innovation. Take a drive along the Amalfi Coast in a convertible, enjoying the breathtaking views, with the wind in your hair and the sun on your face. It's an experience that combines natural beauty with the thrill of the open road. In Italy, even driving is a special experience. The roads, the scenery, and the cars all come together to create unforgettable moments. While everyone in Italy speaks Italian, the country has lots of different dialects and regional languages. From the sing-songy Venetian to the Sicilian dialect, each one reflects the history and culture of its region. As you travel through Italy, you'll hear changes in how people pronounce words, the words they use, and even their grammar. This makes Italy even more interesting, showing that it's not just one place, but lots of different regions, each with its own special character. Talk to the locals, listen to their stories, and try to learn a few phrases in their dialect. You'll find that Italians like it when you try, and they'll often want to share their language with you. Embrace the challenge of talking to people who speak different dialects. It's part of the fun of exploring this amazing country. Italy and wine go together perfectly. From the hills of Tuscany to the sunny vineyards of Sicily, grapes have been grown in Italy for thousands of years, and making wine is an art passed down through families. Italian wines are famous for being good, having lots of variety, and making you feel like you're in the sunny hills where they were made. Try a strong Barolo wine from Piedmont, enjoy the fruity flavors of a Chianti Classico from Tuscany with its black rooster symbol, or have a refreshing Prosecco from the Veneto region with its bubbly fizz. But Italian wine is more than just a drink, it's a big part of the culture, a part of everyday life. Italians enjoy wine with meals, share it with friends and celebrate with it. Join them and discover what the good life really means. Italy's beauty isn't just in its cities and historical places. Its coastline, with its cliffs, beaches and cute fishing villages, is perfect for people who love the sun, sand and amazing views. Explore Cinque Terre, 5 colourful villages on the Ligurian coast. Hike between the villages, look at the vineyards on the hills, and enjoy fresh seafood with a view of the Mediterranean Sea. Inland, the Italian lakes are beautiful too. Lake Como, with its fancy villas and sparkling water, has been a popular spot for a long time. Lake Garda, the biggest Italian lake, is great for sailing, windsurfing and just relaxing and enjoying the view. Whether you like the beach or the lake, Italy's natural beauty will amaze you. Rent a boat, hike a trail or just relax and enjoy the scenery. These are the memories you'll keep forever. You can't go to Italy without visiting its big cities. Rome, the Eternal City, is a mix of ancient history, religious importance and modern life. Walk where emperors walked at the Roman Forum, admire the Pantheon and throw a coin in the Trevi Fountain. Florence, where the Renaissance began, is an art lover's dream. Get lost in the Uffizi Gallery, filled with masterpieces. Cross the Ponte Vecchio Bridge and admire the Arno River. Venice, the city on water, is unique. Ride a gondola through the canals. See the Doge's palace and get lost in the streets. Try cicchetti, small snacks at a Baccaro, a Venetian wine bar. Each city offers a unique mix of history, culture and food, making for an amazing urban adventure. Rome, Florence and Venice are famous, but exploring other places in Italy shows you even more of the country's culture and traditions. Discover the beautiful island of Sardinia with its perfect beaches and unique culture. Explore the ancient ruins of Sicily, where Greek temples still stand. Wander through the small towns of Tuscany with their medieval walls. In Puglia, see the Trulli houses, cone-shaped buildings made without mortar. Explore the rolling hills of Umbria, known for its simple but delicious food. Wherever you go in Italy, explore beyond the usual tourist spots. You'll have authentic experiences, meet friendly people and truly appreciate this amazing country.